Hey, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Monday, the 22nd of June, 2020. It's currently 4:23 p.m. local here in Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts with the new candle was at 4 p.m., which was 23 minutes ago. Not a great deal this afternoon, but there was some trade management early this morning, which I decided against doing a video for because it was just closing a few trades. So let's go and have a look at the charts. I hope everyone had a good weekend and got through it all right. Now, this is my watch list. This is Trading View. These are the pairs I'm trading on the right. The highlight in blue currently trades on. No highlight, no trade. Yellow I'm going to discuss in this video. This pinky colour is just something I'm watching at the moment, so don't worry about that too much. So we'll go through what I've done and when I did it. So let's start with the Swiss franc Japanese yen. My trades are marked by cells of the red, so where the vertical red dash line is and the horizontal solid, that's cells, and these are buys. So what happened this morning, I closed all my trades. So I was in a sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. They're all, so that was 0.02. That was a hedge for 0.02. Second sell 0.06. Second hedge buy 0.06. Then a sell 0.10. This morning when the charts open, we're through the through the overall break-even level, which is this yellow dash line. Price had come back in the MAs. The MACD Platinum, which is a zero lag MACD, is well and truly through the zero level. And to me, I just closed everything. I took a profit of $30.14, and that was added to the profit to date. All these trades, I just left the lines on the chart so you can see where the trades were. I'll tidy up this chart once I finish this video by removing all those lines. All I'll leave on is this potential hidden bullish divergence is setting up. Hasn't been confirmed as yet. So anytime you see a green trend line, that's bullish divergence. Red trend line, bearish divergence. Blue trend line, just something that's interests me, like a support resistance or some other sort of trend line. Yeah, so it's gone against me. Well, it hasn't gone against me because I'm out of the trade, so it's turned up today, which is good. So I got out at profit overall, which is great. All the trades are recorded on a shared spreadsheet through Google Drive, and that's available to everyone. There's a link to that video. There's a link to that spreadsheet in the description of the video. Geez, the brain's not quite active. All right, what's next? Euro yen, we'll have a look at. I've just taken a second buy trade after the 4 o'clock candle today, this afternoon. This thing, I'm in a sell up here. S1 is sequence 1, and that's the candle it started on. So I've taken a sell. That red dotted line is a stop for that sell. So you can read my notes. It was a combination of many trades. Already closed. Yeah, so I've closed. I've got 0.01 left on that with a stop in place. Then I took a buy up here. You can read my notes. Like I always say, you can pause the video, read the notes. It's gone against me. It's continued down. I've drawn this trend line across the highs because we still haven't got an actual sell signal, so I can't hedge it. Technically, that buy signal in there is still valid. So when that trend line was broken with this candle today, during the day, I decided to take a second buy. So that's a second buy on the on sequence 2. It's taken on a trend line break, also as buy signal still valid. There's also hidden bullish divergence still there, and break even for just the 2 trades on sequence 2 is this top yellow line, the top yellow dash line, and overall break even for all 3 trades is the bottom yellow dash line. So all price has got to do is get up above these yellow lines, and that'll be sweet. MACD Platinum is a long way below the zero level. When it's below the zero level, I'm looking to buy. When it's above the zero, I'm looking to sell. The MAs on my chart are a 240 linear weighted moving average, a 100 EMA and a 50 EMA. These green and red dots are just what I call a QMP filter. They're more of a visual aid. They're just a combination of a MACD Platinum Cross and another indicator called the QQE Advanced, which is not on the chart, doesn't have to be displayed on the chart. It's when the QQE Advanced Cross and the MACD Platinum dot or cross are in sync, it creates these green and red dots on the price chart. All I need to know is the MACD Platinum, where it is. For example, this one here is a red dot, so I'm looking for a sell. The MACD Platinum's above the 0 level, so it's a valid sell signal. This one, buy, valid buy signal, but then you look at the MAs and stuff, so there's a combination of things. All right, moving right along. New Zealand CAD, another one this morning, closed all trades. So I was in sell, buy, sell, and it was below the break-even level this morning, and we've got no, that just come in. Yeah, it was below the break-even. It was going sideways. We're getting down a bit, and I just thought, I'm going to close it. MACD Platinum's below the 0 level, and we're setting up again with hidden bullish divergence, and that grey line is just a warning signal saying that there's a green dot on the MACD Platinum below the 0 level, so I'm getting ready. So the divergence line, potential divergence line is drawn in, and this vertical line is drawn in. So when I finish this video, I'll remove all these lines on the chart, these old trades. As I said, I'll just leave them on there to show you where it is. Where this thing opened this morning, it was well and truly below my break even, so I closed all those trades for a profit of $15.43, and that's been added to the tally. New Zealand USD, right, this afternoon, new buy signal in here. It's not a bad one. There's a nice hidden bullish divergence. You can see we've got lower lows on the MACD Platinum and higher lows on price from here up. I'm still in a buy from back here with a stop and place there, so that's good. So that's a partial buy. That's sequence 1. Sequence 2 is what I commenced today. Read my notes. Hidden bullish divergence, nil stop as yet. It's really got to take this high out here. I'm not sure it will or not. Who knows? This green line is just a big number. If you ever see a green line, just represents something that interests me. In this case, it's a 60-cent level. So this is New Zealand USD. Overall break even for both trades is this yellow line here, and because we're net plus 0.03, as long as price is above that yellow line, I can't lose on both trades. So if it just keeps on going up, I'm winning. If it rolls over and drops down, then I've got to take some action. USD Singapore dollar is another one from this morning. Closed all trades. I was in several trades. It looks simple, like a buy, sell, buy. It wasn't quite that. There's 3 sequences, because you can have multiple trades on the same candle. So yeah, close all the trades, and we're up here somewhere where I closed them, which was great, and I made a profit there of $37.76, and that was added to the total. So that's it. And again, I'll remove all these lines once I finish this video. I just left them on to show you where the trades were. And again, we've got a warning signal. We've got a red dot formed here. Still going up. Doesn't mean I'll take the sell trade. It just means it's a warning. So I'm looking for it. Again, I've drawn red trend lines in this case. Possible hidden bearish divergence setting up. And if you've been watching any of my videos, you know what I think about bearish divergence. I love it. Sorry, not bearish divergence. Hidden divergence. I love it. So I'm pretty confident I can work my way out of just about any hidden divergence. Sounds a bit cocky, but a lot of back testing. Not every single one, but for the vast majority. So that's it for the 12-hour charts, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks to all those new subscribers to my channel. That's greatly appreciated. Also, everyone's more than welcome to join my private Facebook group, JAGfx Facebook group, or my Telegram groups. I sort of go more into the daily charts there, but there's a lot more information, etc., in those groups. And if you do like these videos, please hit the subscribe button. If nothing else, hit the like button, and that would be greatly appreciated. And I will probably chat to you guys probably tomorrow. It's all a bit quiet news-wise on the calendar this week, so I'm not sure if much will happen. I think the big one is the New Zealand interest rate news, so that's probably affected Kiwi. Other than that, I don't think there's much at all. Anywho, thanks for watching, and I will chat later. Cheers.